What's good, motherfuckers? This is a new day, new trade, and it is Wednesday. We've actually taken a trade right now. Funny thing about this day is as soon as I got home at like 4, I slept until 6:50. And remember, my trading starts at 6. So as soon as I got up, checked my computer, put in my data, it was at the place I needed to buy at. It was still chilling there, so I took a buy, and you'll see what happens in the video. So if you guys like this, if you guys enjoyed this, hit that like and subscribe. You know what to do. Like, stop playing around here. Stop playing. And if you guys want to join me to the top, all the way to the top, Traders Headquarters, down below is the link to get into the community. So if you guys want to join me all the way to the top, Traders Headquarters is where you need to go, because I usually post my profits, loss, entries. I'm not a signals provider. I'm just there to talk and chill with the community, because we're all trying to get up there. So anyway, y'all, down below is a link. If you're all interested, it's just down there. And let's get into this video, and I hope you'll enjoy. Okay, y'all, you can obviously see this is what my trade was. I kind of literally hopped in literally 50 minutes after my area, and funny thing enough is that price came back for the retracement, and when price came back for the retracement, I actually hopped in, so it was actually a better area to hop in, and now price is kind of flowing. It's pretty weird how price is doing really well these times. I've already moved my stop loss to break even as well, so it's just green, green, green. The worst thing that can happen here is that we close out for a little bit of profits. That's really it. It's not even break even, we just close out for a little bit of profits. We do expect price to come up here to the daily open and just have some rejection or something weird somewhere here, but I definitely do expect also price to grab these liquidities, and if price feels like it's in the mood, we can definitely see price grabbing all the way 20% deviation this way, and we can get a whole 40 pip movement, which is going to be really good for us. We're going to come back, we're going to clutch back, and let's just see what happens, guys. So just on the analysis to show you guys why I entered in the trade is really just because you can kind of see prices still ranging in a sort of way, but you can kind of see prices kind of ranging on the higher time frame. You can just see prices going up, down, not really one direction. So, you know, kind of just, you know, essentially know it's a range. It doesn't really matter if we buy or sell. But for the short term, for this week, it looks like it's been in a downtrend. This is the trade that we did miss yesterday. Well, I say did miss yesterday, but I just didn't decide to take because I just didn't think price was going to do it. So that was my fault completely. If I had a bit more balls, I would have taken it. Would have been up a bit more, guys, a hell of a lot more actually. Just decided not to take it, and this is what I could have had. As for today, this is what it's looking right now. We could definitely see price coming all the way back up here, grabbing this liquidity, or just breaking through, pushing to the upside. Although there was no news. So there's no news, meaning I don't see there being enough momentum or enough people to actually carry this to the top. The reason why I entered in for a buy is because here literally was all I needed. Phase 1, here being phase 2, and then here being phase 3. Simple as that. It is a possibility that price can literally just reject off the daily open, but I think a better area to take a sell would probably be after grabbing all of these liquidities here and this one here. I don't think price after grabbing this liquidity is going to come back down. Probably at the monthly open price where these black lines are, I think price has a higher chance of coming down, but most likely I think price is going to keep pushing up, and just really depends on what price does, because if price does my exit strategy somewhere here, I may deadass just exit out and take in for a sell, just because price already came from the top coming down. So I don't really expect price to continue pushing down, although price can be doing something where it's pushing down to push up. I know this doesn't really make sense, but there's just possibilities of a buy and a sell happening later on, or just me holding. Not really a buy or sell, but just of me holding or selling soon. So we're just gonna see what happens. And yeah, price has already made it to daily open, but we're just gonna wait 30 minutes to 1 hour and just see how price would like to react. But price is really doing really well, so that's good. The overall result of what happened in Euro USD is this. So price did, funny enough, bounce off the daily open, and essentially it went so far down that it went below the golden area where usually I would take out, and that's exactly what happened. Probably in this, the lesson I can learn is probably to take out somewhere here, but instead I just wanted to give it more space, because I thought price is either going to bounce off the weekly open or just kind of just come up here through the daily, but instead it just price decided to continue going down, which is definitely understandable due to the fact that price just wants to grab all of the liquidity, possibly from down here, once this is all grabbed, we can expect price to come back up. I can also see price probably pushing up in this area down here, which is a 78% area. Not too confident, but we'll just see what happens, and depending on when it happens, especially, I will either take a buy or I'll just forward test it, and we'll see what happens. But overall, guys, this is what's happening on Thursday. Wait, no, Wednesday, my bad. This is what's happening on Wednesday. We literally had like a 1 to 0.61, something small. And yeah, we did expect more, but price doesn't always give us what we want. It is what it is. We take what we get. And yeah, so I hope you all enjoy this trade, or just I hope you all enjoy Wednesday's trade. And I'll catch you all probably Thursday, because Thursday sometimes give us a pretty good surprise. So yeah. And obviously, if I take any more trades, you guys will know in the next video. Yeah. Peace.